Hi, welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to solve question 8 from NECTA Form 4 2018 past paper. The topics for this question are arithmetic and geometric sequences. So for 8a, we're told if an arithmetic progression has a1 as the first term and d as a common difference, write the second, third, fourth, and fifth terms. So 8ai, we're told the first term is equal to a1 and the common difference is d. So we need to find the second term. Second term is obtained by adding the common difference to the first term. So you keep adding the common difference from the previous term to get the next term. So it's going to be a1 plus d. And the third term is going to be a1, add another d to this one, so that's going to be 2d. Fourth is going to be a1, another d to this, so that's going to be 3d. Fifth term is going to be a1 plus 4d. So that is 8ai. For 8ai, we're told to establish the formula for the sum of the first 5 terms of the arithmetic progression by using the results in part A. So the sum of the first 5 terms, all we have to do is just add these up. So S5 is going to be equal to A1 plus D plus A1 plus 2D plus A1 plus 3D plus a1 plus 4d. If you add this all up, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you get 5a1 plus, there's 1d there, d, add 2, 3, add 3, 6, add 4 is 10, so plus 10d. And this will give you 5a1 plus 2d. So that is 8aii. Now for 8b, we're told the first and second terms of a geometric progression are 3 and 9 respectively. We're told for 8bi to find third, fourth, and fifth terms. Okay, so let's start here. For 8bi, we're told g1 is equal to 3 and g2 is equal to 9. So in order to find g3, we need to find what the geometric ratio is. So to find the geometric ratio, we need to do this. So G2 is going to be equal to G1 times R, if you remember it. If you don't, please revise. So R is going to be equal to G2 over G1, which is going to be 9 over 3, which is 3. So to find the formula for our geometric progression and to find the terms is Gn is going to be equal to G1 times Rn minus 1. This is a formula, okay? So to find G3, we need to get G1. So G1 is 3 times geometric ratio is also 3, and then it's 3 Gn, so that's 3 take away 1, 2, so that's going to be squared, which is going to be 27. Now for G4 then it's going to be 3 times 3 cubed, which is 81. And for G5 is going to be 3 times 3 to the power 4, which is 243. So that is the part I done. Now we are told to find, to verify the sum of the first 5 terms is given by Sn by using the results in part I. Okay, so so let us just do manually what the S5 is. So the S5 is just literally just adding the first 5 terms. So that is 3 plus 9 plus 27 plus 81 plus 243. If you add this up, you will get 363. Now if we're going to use the formula here as given, so S5 is going to be equal to G1, we know is 3 times R is 3, N is going to be 5, and take away 1, everything divided by r, take away 1, r is 3, take away 1. So if you do this, then you will get 3 times. We know 3 to the power 5 is 243, so 243 take away 1 over 3 take away 1, 2. Do this calculation, you will get 3, that's 242 divided by 2, which will give you 3 times this divided by 2, 1 to 1. And the answer to that is 363, which is the same as part I. So thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye for now.